HIGHLEVEL has 3 pricing tiers, and choosing the wrong one is the most common mistakes beginners make. In this video, I'm going to explore every single of these tiers, help you understand which one is the best suited for your own business and what kind of value you get on each of these and when you should upgrade. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a GoHighLevel funnel and website design agency. We have been building funnels on high-level platform for the last 5 years, and I have helped over 100 plus clients across 12 plus countries. Now, when it comes to HIGHLEVEL, it's been one of the most AI-driven automated CRMs out there available on the internet. And guess what? Hundreds of thousands of real customers and real businesses have been using this online as of now. And with my experience of last 5 years, I'm going to give you the exact direction as to which one you should choose, which one you should upgrade, and which one is absolutely not worth it. Let's get it down, let's break it down, and let me help you choose the best one possible. As you see, I'm currently in the GoHighLevel's pricing section, and it presents me with 3 particular options. It also says that you can get started with HIGHLEVEL for absolutely free with a 14-day free trial. But guess what? If you are somebody who's want to start HIGHLEVEL, but do you want the leverage of adding additional 15 more days and make it 30-day free trial? If yet, comment free trial in the comment section, and I'm going to give you my personal link for you to get a 30-day free trial. I'm going to show it to you as to what exactly the 30-day free trial contains. This is a 30-day free trial, and this also comes with free live bootcamp where the coaches of HIGHLEVEL is going to help you create and install the entire system in your GoHighLevel account. Apart from that, you're also going to get $10,000 of free bonuses from me directly, which is being explained in this particular video. The link will be in the description box. Make sure you check that out. Along with this, you also get a one-on-one free consultation call. But for that, you have to comment free trial so that I can give you a particular link for you to check it out, whether it's going to be worth it or not. But guess what? Hundreds of people are already taking it. Don't miss a chance. Make sure you leverage the 30-day free trial that you're going to get instead of signing for a 14-day trial. Alright, let me explain you what exactly you get. So HIGHLEVEL has these 3 tiers that they present to you beautifully, and I believe that this is one of the most economical pricing stages that they have built and one of the most value driven. However, if this brings more value to you or not, let's find out. The first plan that they have introduced is called the starter plan, and I have to tell them they are very generous in order to give this $97 plan, because this basically gives you unlimited access to all the basic features you have inside the HIGHLEVEL platform. Right? As you can see, HIGHLEVEL is a $97 per month plan. If you want to also go for, say, with annual, you can go for $970 as well. But if you just want to have $97, that's perfectly fine. Now, in the $97 per month plan, it's perfect for small businesses and solo marketers, because since you're paying only $97 a month, you get 3 sub-accounts. Not really one thing. Sub-accounts are basically your entire engine system, your entire office from where you operate everything in your business in your CRM. So you're basically getting 3 different offices, which is 3 different online CRMs, which you can deploy if you have 3 different businesses. Crazy, isn't it? So if you are a beginner and you want to start out for your own business, $97 makes the perfect sense for you. You could one for testing, you could use the other one for your actual business, and guess what? If you have a second business, then also use the third one without paying any dollar extra for additional accounts, and even don't even need the unlimited agency pro level. Alright, apart from that, you also get unlimited contact in your HIGHLEVEL CRM. Now let me help you understand this. When they say unlimited, they mean unlimited. So you can upload as many contacts as you want inside your CRM. You can manage them, you can utilize them, and by the way, I've already created a complete detailed step-by-step walkthrough video of the GoHighLevel platform. In case you haven't watched it, I'm going to add the link in the description box. Make sure you check that out, because this is going to be super useful for somebody like you who's starting out to understand what exactly you get in the $97 plan. Alright, so you have unlimited contacts, you can create the contacts, you can manage your contacts, you can have smart lists in your contacts, and all of that filters, right? So this is crazy good limited options that you're going to get in your $97 per month account. Apart from that, you also get unlimited users, which basically means it does not matter whether you have a small business or a big enterprise. If you have if you have a one solo person company or 100 people team, all of them can get combined into your $97 plan. Because here, I told you what, it's a 3 sub account platform, which basically means that you have 3 offices. And since you need only one office system for your one business, it does not matter whether you have 1 employee or 100, all can be accommodated. Amazing, isn't it? Apart from that, you also get 24/7 support system. And let me tell you one thing, GoHighLevel support is one of the best support systems that I have seen. They have improved significantly over the years and have made sure that AI is introduced in a way that you get the solution of your basic problems right in front without even waiting. They also have a chat system for you to chat. You can also raise a direct ticket instantly, or you can also get on a one-on-one Zoom call to discuss about the problem that you are facing, so that they can use those data and details to escalate the matter and get that resolved for you ASAP. I've experienced this myself over the years. I've had my clients experience the same. Hundreds of people have experienced it through my GoHighLevel affiliate link, and I'm sure you are also going to do that. Apart from that, it also gives you all the core features. Let me help you understand what exactly do you get in those core features. So here is the mention of all the core features here, right? The first things first, you get conversational AI. The conversational AI is a meeting booking system where you can install it in your website visit for general questions that people might have, and they can chat with this conversation AI. Or you could also have an automated AI booking system through a conversation method, so that you can have multiple bookings, get it all in your CRM itself. So conversational AI makes absolute sense if you are somebody looking to use leverage AI in this era, which is included in your HIGHLEVEL platform. You also get voice AI. So if somebody is calling your number and you want to have a receptionist or a person answer the call when you're busy, or for the sake you are off the office hours, then guess what? This voice AI system can help you do all of that. No restriction even at $97. Apart from that, you also have content AI. So you could create content, social media posts, all of that inside the HIGHLEVEL platform. After that, you have funnel AI. So if you want to create funnels within a minute, then funnel AI will help you do that. Apart from that, you also have reviews AI in order to understand as to the reviews that you're getting and then respond to them instantly, so that you can rank better in Google search and have a high trust score. Website and funnel builder, something that we specialize, and we've been helping over 100 plus clients create custom built funnels and landing pages. All those features are also available at $97. Apart from that, you can also connect multiple domains, subdomains inside your GoHighLevel account. You can buy domains from the HIGHLEVEL platform as well and deploy for your website, landing pages, and your email delivery systems. You also have CRM and pipelines, which basically means that you can manage all your contact details, all your opportunities, everything under one dashboard itself. You can see all of that visually into a pipeline. You can check as to which lead is warm, cold, opportunities, appointment book, sales closed, all of that is available. As I said, I've explained all of this detail in one of my GoHighLevel detailed tutorial. Make sure that you watch this, and the link is in the description box. You also have customer dashboard and reporting, so that all the details of opportunity creation, leads creation, revenue closed, all of that can be seen in a dashboard itself. You also have email plus SMS marketing, so that you can carry out your marketing steps in GoHighLevel platform without paying even a penny extra. Inbound and outbound callings are also available with the HIGHLEVEL CRM, so that your team can do outbound and receive inbound calls in your HIGHLEVEL system. Apart from that, you also have unified conversations, so you can manage all your conversation data under one tab and help your team members get the most out of your entire CRM. You have social media management, so that you do not have to use any external kind of tools. So you can use HIGHLEVEL to post on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, you name it, we have it. Workflow automation are probably one of the backbone of GoHighLevel automated system, but it provides you with advanced AI capabilities in order to create automated system which will help run your business even when you are sleeping. forms, surveys, and quizzes gives you the extra punch of collecting data information from the online marketing platforms that you're currently working on to get these details inside your CRM, which can then further be analyzed using your automations and then upgraded entire using your pipelines. Apart from that, you also have booking calendars, probably one of the best features and the most advanced features, which has replaced Calendly like platforms entirely and has been using inside platforms since ages. And that's really one thing. This is one of the best things that I've been using over the last years. Haven't seen anything better than this yet. You also have ad manager just in case you want to run Google ads, Facebook ads, and you want to use your inbuilt ad managers to truly make sure that your CRM does everything inside one roof. Then this is what you're looking for. You also have online reputation management, just in case you want to make sure that you get the absolute best reviews, automatically send it to your clients when a job gets done. This is what you're looking for to make sure that you get the best of the reviews available on your Google My Business or different other review platforms. You also have prospecting tools to make sure that you get the right and absolute best leads in your area, in your niche, so that you can leverage them and sell on your services and or your AI systems. Payments and invoicing makes it super easy to connect with multiple kind of payment platforms available in and integrated with HIGHLEVEL platform that you can leverage them and collect payments from your customers without delay. HIGHLEVEL also had mobile apps, so just in case you cannot carry your laptop and devices all the time, you can use your mobile in order to get amazing updates which can be used inside your HIGHLEVEL platform. You also have courses. Do not have to use any other course platform like AB Observer. That platform is available so that you can build them inside your HIGHLEVEL system. People can log into your entire system, access the courses, understand materials, download them and use it to grow their business, and you can have a successful course business right inside the HIGHLEVEL platform. You also have communities to make sure that you do not have to use external community platform. HIGHLEVEL provides it all in order for your community to exponentially grow. You also have API access just in case you want to communicate with other platforms. API is the way to go, so you can get all your details and contacts inside your HIGHLEVEL system and then get them running. And hundreds of features are getting released and being updated every single month, and I'm blown away with what the kind of facility that they are providing. So if you are a beginner and if you want to use HIGHLEVEL and you do not need more than 3 agencies and 3 offices, HIGHLEVEL $97 makes the absolute sense. Then you might ask this question as to who and why should people upgrade to the most popular, which is the unlimited plan. Let me tell you one thing. $297 per month is the truly unlimited plan as it suggests. It gives you all the features that I just explained to you in detail. Apart from that, you get unlimited sub-accounts. It is best for those people who have massive or multiple businesses and they run together, or you want to sell HIGHLEVEL as the absolute best white label platform using your own branding. So if you want to use HIGHLEVEL and you only pay them $297 a month, and you can charge anyone anything that you want, and you can have unlimited accounts and you can charge them unlimited number of times every single year, then this is what you are looking for. As it says, it's built for growing agencies. So either you have use cases where you have multiple clients that you want to manage in your specific accounts, or you want to use GoHighLevel as a truly white label platform in order to get the best results and charge as much as you want while only paying $297 to HIGHLEVEL, then this makes absolute sense for you. As you can see, it offers unlimited sub-accounts, user agent reporting, and rebilling and phone email with no markup, which basically means that you can charge for the phone and the email services that people are using under your GoHighLevel plan, but you can have no markup in here, which is available at the $497 plan. You also get basic API access for all the developer needs so that you can communicate with other external platforms, right? So this makes you think as to who should go for the $497 platform. If you want to build a truly automated white label agency platform where you only pay $497 a month to HIGHLEVEL, and in exchange you get the ability to brand it, to rebill your clients as many times as you want of the services and the SMS, AI, all of that feature that they are using, and unlimited amount of money in terms of a monthly payment, then high-level $497 plan makes sense for you. As you say that this is the Agency Pro, it is truly for the Agency Pros because it's ideal for SaaSpreneurs who are using HIGHLEVEL as a software service so that they can provide this as their own branded software to all their clients and customers, and then they can add a revenue into their streamline without paying a penny extra to HIGHLEVEL. And agencies looking to go SaaS, this makes an absolute sense. I already have multiple people who signed up through my affiliate link who gradually grew from $97 to $297 and then to $497 to make sure that they get the absolute best of the HIGHLEVEL platform. So what exactly are you getting here? You're getting everything that you have in your unlimited plan, which has everything that you get inside your starter plan, and then you have automated sub-account creation, which basically means that if somebody joins your white level SaaS account, right, you do not have to create the sub-account for them manually. Rather, they can be automatically created by your GoHighLevel CRM itself without you have to manually touch anything. This comes under the Pro plan. Apart from that, you have the most advantage and profitable option of rebilling phone and email with markup, which basically means that you could ask, for example, if you're paying around 1,000 rupees for over 100,000 emails, then you could charge them over 2,000 rupees, $2,000 for over the same amount of email that they are spending. That's the basic beauty of using the rebill phone and email markup fee. Along with this, you also get advanced API access, which helps your developers in order to get better and more features, including inside that GoHighLevel agency plan. This is exactly what you get. Apart from that, if you sign up, as I said, through my HIGHLEVEL affiliate link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial, a free live bootcamp, and as you can see, this is the bootcamp happens every other day inside this HIGHLEVEL community. We have over 70,000+ HIGHLEVEL users worldwide, over $500 million of revenue generated for users, and we are in currently 84+ countries. If you join through the link, you're not going to get that, but you're also going to get this all boost of features for over $10,000. Let me quickly show you as to what exactly you get. You get a one-on-one consultation call with me. You get multiple of my landing pages, funnels, automations, right? You get all of these pre-built email custom templates, all your business need, automation, database reactivation, workflow, SMS pre-built custom snippet, right? Complete automation for your GSM account, plug and play system, exclusive access to me whenever you have any kind of queries. And not just that, I'm also building AI Studio, AI-driven premium templates, which are also going to be free when you join through my affiliate link. This is what you get when you sign up to the affiliate link, and make sure that you get all of this. So just in case you're trying out, let me know if you have any question in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you on that. If you want the free trial link, the 30-day free trial link, comment free trial and I'm going to give it to you for absolutely free, no questions asked. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video clarifies your questions. If you have any more questions, let me know and I'll be happy to help you out on this.